everyone, what's up? I hope all of you are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Ananya Tripathi and I create content related to makeup and fashion on my channel. So don't forget to follow me on my Instagram handle. I'll be linking it down in description box below. Also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I post a video. So today's makeup look is inspired from K-dramas because I know a lot of you guys are big fans of K-dramas, and I myself being one thought, why not? Let's create a look inspired from female lead actresses from K-dramas. So I have tried to inculcate all the makeup techniques that they use and the way they take makeup. If you want to know how I did this look, so watch my video till the end, and without any further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, I have already done my CTM. So first I'll be using MYGLAMM's Clean Beauty Argan Oil BB foundation. I'll be applying few dots of it all over my face, and then with the help of this damp beauty blender, I'll be blending it all in. This is a very light foundation. If you're someone who wants very light coverage on your face, then I shall definitely recommend you guys to use this foundation because it is amazing. Next, I'll be concealing the darker areas on my face. So with the help of Swiss Beauty liquid concealer, I'll be concealing the darkened areas that are my under eyes and the area around my mouth and nose. And then with the help of damp beauty blender, I'll blend all the concealer in and make it look flawless. Next, I'll be using Sugar Cosmetics Mattifying Compact in shade 30. I'll be using this compact to pack all the concealer in so that it doesn't creases if I wear the makeup for a long time. Next, I'll be using MYGLAMM's Chisel It palette, as this is a K-drama female lead inspired look. They use very corally peachy pink color for their makeup. So I'll be taking this pink shade from the palette, that is the blush shade, and apply it all over my lid and also apply it on my lower lash line. Next, I'll be taking the contour shade and contour my nose. They don't do much of contour like the cheeks and everything, so they do a very light contouring, that is also they keep it with their nose. So I'm gonna only contour my nose area. Next, I'll be taking the blush and applying it on my cheeks because this is a K-drama inspired look. They love flushed cheeks. Next, I'll be taking the highlighter and apply it on the high ends of my face. As this is a Korean drama look, they don't do much of highlighter, so I'll keep it very minimalistic. Next, I'll take this contour shade. They love doing this brown eyeliner look. I'll zoom the camera in so you can have a better view. Keep it close to your lash line, don't make it too thick. Next, I'll be taking the highlighter and then I'll be applying very sparsely over my lids, not making it too obvious but to give it a little shiny touch. Then I'll be applying it on the lower lash line of my eyes from the inner corner to the middle of the lower lash line. I'm so sorry, this part did not get recorded while I was shooting. So I'll be using Sugar Cosmetics Matte Attack Transfer Proof lipstick in shade Daft Pink. I'll be applying the lipstick in the inner parts of my lips, and then with the help of a brush, I will just blend it out to bring that beautiful gradient look. So there you can see the final look. I'm trying too hard to be cute, but I know I'm not. So I'll zoom in the camera so you can see the better view of the makeup. And there I go again, trying too hard to be cute. Also, if you feel I look cute, then let me know in comments below. So that was all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did so, like my video, comment below how was the look, and also share my video. While you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I post a video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Love.